Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to connect your website with ConvertKit easily. If you're new, check the description below for a free trial link. For existing users, just log in and follow along. First, click your account name, then choose Settings. On the left-hand side, select Domains. Scroll down to the Custom Domain section. Here you'll see two options: Buy a new domain or connect an existing one. If you already own a domain, choose Connect Existing Domain and type your custom domain name. Don't forget to click Save to update your settings. Next, ConvertKit will show some DNS values you'll need. Copy those values carefully. Now, log into your domain registrar, the place where you purchased your domain. Go to your DNS settings and paste the copied values into the correct fields. After that, head back to ConvertKit and click Validate. This starts the verification process, which can take up to 24 hours to complete. Once verified, your site is successfully connected to ConvertKit. And that's it. Simple and done.